So you're working on your laptop and you notice something that wasn't there before. Add a dark spot on your screen. Maybe it's tiny. Maybe it's a bigger shadow spreading across your display. Either way, it's annoying, and you're probably wondering if your laptop is dying. Don't panic yet. Let me walk you through exactly what's going on and what you can actually do about it. First, let's figure out what type of dark spot you're dealing with, because that determines whether you can fix it yourself or if you need professional help. The most common cause is dead pixels. These are tiny, perfectly square dark dots that never light up no matter what's on screen. The transistor powering that pixel has completely failed, and unfortunately, once a pixel dies, it's usually permanent. But here's the thing. You might actually have a stuck pixel instead of a dead one. Stuck pixels look similar, but they're not completely black. They get frozen on one color, usually red, green, or blue. The good news is stuck pixels can often be fixed because the transistor is still working, it's just stuck in one position. The other major cause is pressure damage. If something pressed against your closed laptop lid, maybe heavy books in your bag, or you accidentally leaned on it, it can damage the liquid crystal layer inside your display. This creates dark patches that look almost like bruises on the screen. Pressure damage usually appears as irregular shapes rather than perfect squares. You could also be dealing with backlight issues. Your screen has a backlight system behind it, and if parts of that fail, you'll see dark patches where the light isn't reaching properly. Backlight problems often start along the edges and spread toward the center. And now let's diagnose what you actually have. First, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. Sometimes what looks like a dark spot is just stubborn dirt. Next, do a dead pixel test. Display solid color screens, white, black, red, green, blue, across your entire display. You can find free tools online for this. Dead pixels stay black on all colors. Stuck pixels show their stuck color, no matter what the background is. Also look at the shape. Is it a tiny perfect square? Probably a dead pixel. Is it an irregular blob or bruised shape? That's likely pressure damage. Is it along the edges with gradual darkening? Backlight issue. Okay, so how do you fix this? If you have stuck pixels, you've got a decent chance. Go to JScreenFix.com and run their free tool. It rapidly cycles colors on the affected area, which can unstick the pixel. Let it run for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Some stubborn pixels need several hours or multiple sessions over a few days. You can also try the pressure method. Turn off your laptop, place a soft cloth over the stuck pixel, and using something soft like a pencil eraser, apply very gentle pressure while turning the laptop back on. The gentle pressure can help unstick the pixel as the screen powers up, but be extremely careful. Too much pressure will cause more damage. Now, if you have pressure damage to the LCD itself, I have to be honest with you, there's no DIY fix for that. The damage is to the internal structure of the panel. You're looking at either living with it or getting the screen replaced. Same goes for backlight issues. Those are internal hardware problems that need professional repair or a full screen replacement. So should you repair or replace? Here's how I think about it. If your laptop is less than 3 years old and works great otherwise, and the repair cost is significantly less than a new laptop, repair makes sense. Screen replacements typically run between $100 and $300, depending on your model. But if your laptop is already showing other signs of age, slow performance, bad battery, other issues, and the repair cost is approaching half the laptop's value, it might be time to upgrade. Before you pay for anything, check if you're still under warranty or if you have accidental damage protection through your credit card. A lot of people forget they have coverage. Going forward, protect your screen. Never put heavy objects on your closed laptop. Use a padded sleeve when you carry it. Don't pick it up by the screen. And close the lid gently. Slamming it creates shock that damages the display over time. Quick recap. Clean your screen first. Run a dead pixel test to diagnose the problem. Try JScreenFix or gentle pressure for stuck pixels and for physical damage or backlight failure. Weigh repair costs against your laptop's value and take better care of that screen going forward. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I've got tons more tech troubleshooting guides coming. Drop a comment if you have questions about your specific situation. I'll see you in the next one.